Welcome guys to my next video about my new Lexus, and today we're gonna speak about floor mats, the stock floor mats comparing to new Husky floor mats. So if you own one of these cars, you probably know that originally this car came with this carpet floor mats that came on the front, and you have them on the back of the car as well. So I don't have any troubles with these floor mats in dry condition, dry weather like today, but when it starts raining, especially here in California, you're getting a lot of mud on your side trims, also on the carpet floor mats, which actually gonna be pretty tough to clean off. So what I can tell about these floor mats on the back, they definitely feel comfy when you step onto them, but the issue is this central tunnel. When you're stepping into the car in the dirty shoes, it's the dirt actually gonna be all over that tunnel and on the trim from different points. So you can see the difference between two. On the left we have the stock Lexus floor mats, and on the right the Husky one. Here you can clearly see that the stock floor mats are a little smaller, and also Husky floor mats comparing to original one doesn't, so it has side support. What it means, it basically means that when you're gonna walk into the car in the dirty shoes after the rain or in any mud, it's gonna stay on the floor mat. Also on the other side of the floor mat you can see spikes, which are completely different. If we're talking about stock floor mats, they are way smaller, and when we're gonna compare it to the Husky, you can see how big they are. That actually gonna help a floor mat to stay in the car without any movement. Okay, so right now we have a Husky floor mats installed. I was using them for a little while, so you can see all that signs of usage, but that's totally fine. It also goes all the way back over there, and as I said, it has a side support that your dirt and mud gonna stay on the floor mat itself. Also, you can see all that spikes. The nice feature for this floor mats actually that it has a locking system. You can lock the floor mat and it's not gonna move whatsoever. That's how the floor mat looks on the front. That's the driver's side and the passenger side. Okay, and now you can see the floor mat on the back of the car. As you can see, it goes all the way from left to right as a one piece, and it has nice feature that it covers the central tunnel, which gonna help you in pretty tough weather conditions. Also, like original floor mats, this one doesn't have a locking system on the back, but the good thing that they have all that big spikes that helps it to stay in one place. So that was my short review of the Husky all-weather floor mats for Lexus ES, and I hope you found that information useful. And as always, I will leave the links in the description that you can try this product by yourself. And if you like that video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.